Hey, Mrs. W here. I want to show you how to find domain and range from a logarithmic function. All right, so domain is really easy. All you're going to do is set your 2x plus 2 greater than 0 and solve for x. So x is greater than -1. So that is your domain, or you could also write it as -1 to infinity with parentheses if interval notation. Range is always going to be all real numbers. But you may have to identify this on a graph. So in Desmos, I went ahead and already typed this function in. And we can see that we have it log, and you just type the letters log and start your parentheses, enter exactly what it looks like. And it gives us this graph here. Notice now if you're looking at that graph, you can zoom in and zoom out. If you want to know what that number is without solving the equation, well, putting your pencil or mouse on that, you can see that it's getting really super close to -1 but never touching it, meaning that -1 is our asymptote. So I'm going to do one more with you. It should be pretty easy, I think, straight up for you. And then let's go back to and do this one. So again, 4x minus 4 is greater than 0. So x is greater than 4. So x is greater than 1. So that's your domain. 1 to infinity if it was in interval notation. And you got it. Your range is going to be always all real numbers for logs. What that looks like on Desmos, again, you're just going to type in your what you need there. So 4x, I believe it's 4x plus 4. Let me double check. 4, and I think it was plus 3. We'll find out. Plus 3. And let me see. Yep, that was it. So you can see here again, if you're on the graph, it's really close to -1. Let me make sure I did that one right. Sorry, hang on. It's 4x minus 4 plus 3. That's what I get for double checking, trying to do it on my own. So let me put a minus here. There we go. That's better. Moves the graph to 1. Click on it. 1 is really close to 1. We'll never touch it. So everything is to the right of that, so it's going to be greater than. So that's how you find domain and range using Desmos or just solving by hand.